how to download Fortnite on a PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Fortnite on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or laptop for free. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's very easy to download and install Fortnite on our computer. All we need to do to get started is simply go down to the Windows Start button, select it, and then you should find Microsoft Store. You can also just search Microsoft Store at the top. I'm just going to type Store, and then I'll select Microsoft Store. Once the Microsoft Store comes up and loads, go up to the top and just search Fortnite. From there, you should see Fortnite come up. Simply select it and then select Install. So the install size is going to be 145 gigabytes. It'll let you know if you have enough space, but go down and select Install. Then it will start downloading and installing Fortnite on your PC. So just give it some time. Then once it's done downloading and installing Fortnite on your computer, to open it, you can either go back to the Microsoft Store or you can just select the Start button and then type Fortnite. You should see it there. Go ahead and open it up. And the first time you open it, it might pop up and say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And that's for the Microsoft Store installer. So go ahead and select yes to that. It's just going to ensure that you have every dependency of Fortnite installed on your computer. It'll then load Fortnite. You might need to log in to your Epic Games account, where you'll then be able to start playing Fortnite on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.